Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create your TikTok account. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, you could either enter your phone number and sign up, or you could simply tap on the option of continue with email, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google as well. I'm going to tap on the option of continue with email. Now simply enter in your email address. After this, tap on the option of continue. Now over here, start by entering your birthday. Tap on the option of continue. Now choose a nickname for your TikTok account. So now, after your TikTok account has been created, you can tap on the option of edit. From here, you can also add a bio as well. So tap on the category of bio. Then write a bio for your account. Then tap on the option of save at the top right corner. You can also change your TikTok profile picture. Tap on the option of change photo. Now you can take a photo, upload photo, or also view your current profile picture. Now if we go back, now from here, if you tap on this plus icon at the bottom, you can add videos on your TikTok account as well. You can use various sounds and add sounds on your videos as well, and make a TikTok video of yours. Now if we go back, you can tap on the category of inbox. You can add your contacts as well by tapping on this option of find. Over here you will see the conversations of your TikTok friends and your chats with them. Now if you tap on the category of home, you can scroll through various TikToks of other people. So that's how simply you could create your own TikTok account. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.